Merry Christmas Eve, my wonderful community of amazing and talented friends. Thank you so much for coming by today. And if it's not today, I totally understand. But I do have some super fun things to share with you today. So let's get to it. The first came in the mail yesterday. This is from Leslie at Silver Moon Creations. As soon as I opened the box, oh my gosh, the wonderful smell of homemade baked goods wafted out to me. Oh, some of my favorites. So yes, Leslie has done some serious holiday baking here. So I had this wonderful tin of goodies, and then this tin. Look at this, boys and girls. Oh my gosh, homemade fudge. And look at all these flavors. Doesn't that just look delicious? Oh, and I can smell it again. I don't even have to eat it. All I have to do is like smell it. It smells so yummy and so Christmas. This is definitely the smells of Christmas, all these homemade sweet treats. And then I got this darling cookie cutter, and I can see using this in my junk journaling because it's a wonderful pattern and it will make this cute daisy. So thank you so much, Leslie. What a wonderful gift to receive in the mail the day before Christmas Eve. So thank you, thank you. The next thing I want to share with you is a crafting project. And this is an open collab once a month hosted by Alma at Alma Tyser, and her channel along with Leslie's will be down in the description. So if you have some time, you can jump on over to their channels and see what's going on in their worlds. And with Alma, we are continuing to send our love and our prayers and healing to her grandson. I haven't seen a post lately from Alma, which, we don't know what that means, but I just want to send her support and love and know that we are all thinking of her. So in thinking about her, I did want to do my December Come Collage with Us, which, like I said, is an open collab, and she gives us a monthly theme. So flipping through, I started, I'm not sure, probably August or September, and I seem to have, it says August. I seem to be sticking to my theme of keeping my little trash panda involved in my collages. So this was our Halloween. This was our November for being grateful and thankful. And so you guessed it, today's is for the holiday season. So there they are, all cozy around their Christmas tree with some hot cocoa. I found a picture in a magazine of a beautiful pine cone wrapped in ribbons. So it is collaged with different scrap papers, washi tape, magazine cutouts, cut and collage books, and it was just super relaxing and very festive to make this page yesterday. I do want to show you on my Christmas tree, the teal bulbs. I'm using a new product called Pops, which is recommended by Tony at Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts. And I don't see it in my mess here. Oh, yes, I do. They look like this. And they put, it's kind of like Nuvo Drops, I think. It's supposed to put an enamel looking raised color. And I love this color, so of course that's the color I chose. But I think, Tony, I need a tutorial because maybe I globbed too much, and then of course I got my finger involved and tried to like smooth it out, and I don't think that's the desired look. But on my little ones, come on, focus, on my small ones that you can see right here, oh look, I have I have some on my finger. I thought it was dry. They look better. So Tony, I need some advice here on these pops of color. But they sure are pretty, and I did get them metallic, and it is really pretty. And from way back here, you can't even tell. But Tony's always looked so perfect, and inspired me to get some and try them out. So I think that mine is user error, and I need some practice, and I need some tips. Okay, I think that is what I wanted to share with you today. I am sending you love and best wishes, and I'm just hoping that you are all safe and surrounded by love with friends and family, or if you're alone, I hope that you are making yourself a priority and being comfy and cozy and doing all the things that bring you joy. And yeah, I'm just so grateful to have you all in my life. So thank you very, very much. And I do want to send a thank you to my new subscribers. I said it would be a wonderful holiday gift you could give me, and I don't know if that's what inspired you to click that subscribe button. Whatever it is, a great big thank you to you. I appreciate it so very, very much. All right, friends, I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.